welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to CodeWave. This is episode 1, part 2 of the HTML and CSS web development journey. In the last video, we looked at the basics of HTML and a little bit of CSS. This was our code for the HTML and this was our code for the CSS. And this was our output. As you can see, basically we looked at the background color, the text, and also the input forms and the button. So it was a slight mix of HTML and CSS. Once again, I'm just reminding you that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So in this video, we'll be looking at coding a full website. So yeah, let's just get started. You can follow the steps I'll be providing. So in the last video, I taught you how to select the programming language or the syntax. So once again, view, syntax. This is HTML, it's already selected. Over here, you can say view, syntax, CSS. Great. So this on my left is HTML, this is CSS. As you can see, left is HTML, this was from our previous video, and on my right is CSS, which is over here. So now in this video we'll be looking at making a navigation bar, making division tags, and making border radius, and yeah. So let us start by opening the HTML tag. Let us connect our CSS. You do this by typing link, hyperlink reference is site.css. Sorry, CSS. Once again, this has to be matching with the name of the file you saved. So let us name our website green wave. Since we're making the home page, you can put home, so it looks more professional. So if we click on file, save all, we go back to our browser, we go back to our blank website, we refresh the page. As you can see, the name changes. So let us start by making our navigation bar, which is very simple. Let's go. We are going to make a division tag. This is the part where we are including CSS. So division ID nav. We go back to CSS. We put a hashtag. The hashtag represents the division, which is in HTML. That is how they're both connected, using this over here. So let us type nav brackets. As I explained, this is such as like opening a box and including information inside the box to customize how the box behaves. So let us start by background color. Let's say black, because we want the color theme to be white, light green, and black. Okay. Our width would be 100%. Our height, sorry about that. Our height would be, let's say our height would be 16%. Top would be 0%. And left would also be 0%. Our position would be absolute. So now basically in width, it determines the like the size of the division tag. So it's basically stretching out. Height, it also stretches out the bottom of the division tag, Top 0%, it means when it is 0%, it is all the way up to the top. Maybe if it was 20-25%, it would be in the middle or at the bottom. Left would be 0%, so it would be all the way on the left. If it was, let's say, 20%, it would be on the right. So let us click on File, Save All, go back to our website, refresh, and as you can see, our blank navigation bar is over here. So let us play around with the top and left and stuff like that. So let us say it would be 25%. Go to File, Save All, go back to your browser, refresh. As you can see, if it's 25%, it goes lower. So it's not at the top anymore. It's like on the bottom slightly. And then left, it would go like 25%. Save all, go back, refresh. You can see it will go on the right. So let us fix it. Go to 0%. Let's put 0. File, save all, go back, and over here. Very, very simple. So let us make a logo or a title logo that would be over here. That would probably make the make the website pop out even more and show what the website is about. So let us do that. Go into the division tag where the navbar is. Click on enter. Now you are actually inside the division tag. Now when you're basically coding inside the navigation bar, so whatever you do over here, it will not come out over here, it will be inside over here. You're making it inside this box, if I would explain it that way. So let us make another division tag inside of this division tag. Let us name it lock A. Let us put a hashtag lock A. We're opening the brackets. Let us put background color light gray. And then, one second. Okay, light gray. Width, we can maybe put 35%. Height, we can put, it doesn't have to be matching always. It depends on the placement. So let us say maybe height can be 20%. Top, of course, it can be maybe 5% or 0%. Left, I want my logo to be slightly on the right so it doesn't look bland or doesn't look really weird. So I want it to be on the right, so only slightly. I'm going to put 5%. Our position would be absolute. Now the position basically means the position of the division tag. If you type fixed, the division tag will move when you scroll. It will move with you. When you type position fixed, it will be fixed in place, but it's also going to move with you. When you type absolute, it's going to be fixed in place, but it's going to stay in the same place as you left it, and it's not going to move when you scroll. So let us keep it that way. Let's go to File, Save All, go back and refresh, and as you can see, my division tag is over here. So I want it to be a little bit on the bottom, and it's too stretched out, and I want it to be more on the left. So let us fix that real quick. Let us put 3% over here. Width 35% looks like too much, so let us put 20%. Our height is okay. Top we can do 5%. So let us click on File, Save All, go back to your browser, refresh. Now it is looking perfect. It is okay now. So now we can go back over here. Inside the lock A division tag. Now we are not inside this we are inside this, we are inside of a tag which is inside of a tag. So let's go over here, we can type heading 1. So this will be our logo. Heading 1, since we want our logo to be more like, we want it to look nice, let's add a custom font, which would be a tag inside the heading 1 tag, font, style, font, family, Dana. Of course, you can choose any font you want. This is just a font that I use a lot and I really enjoy it. I like it. Font. We can say Green Wave, the name of the website. Green Wave. Click on File, save all, go back to your browser and refresh. Now, of course, you cannot see the words, so let us make this transparent. And let us make the color white. As you can see, it is working. Of course, if you want to change the color, you can either do it in CSS or in HTML. Let me show you an example of changing the color in CSS. Sorry, you can change it like in green. Now it is green. Maybe you can change it, let's say, over here in the font tag. You can say color green. Save all, go back to your browser, refresh. It will still be the same thing because but I've just did it in HTML, not in CSS. So for now, let us just do it in CSS. Let us delete this, we don't need it. Okay, good. Now it is green. Now let us make the navigation lists, so like a ribbon to direct us to other pages of the website, like the home section, about section, contact section, and but for now we are only going to do home and about. Yes, so I have added in the ribbons, as you can see. So we do not need the contact section, we do not need the extra about section. So just copy this in your code and remember to add in ul class navbar. So as I mentioned, class is such as assigning a name and customizing the object based of the name. As you can see in my CSS on the right, the class, which is the dot, the navbar, I've added all these. And also when you hover like on the text, it changes color. So let me show you. Sorry about that. Yes. So if you hover on it, it changes color. So let us get rid of this division tag you see over here. Let's go back. Let us do transparent. Just click on file, save all. Let's go back to our website. Let's refresh, and it is not there anymore, as you can see. Now without CSS, these ribbons would just be links, like blue links, that is it. So yeah, you can feel free to change the color of the text. The code is over here, and yeah, So let us continue. Now we want to make a content division tag. Basically we want something over here like a uh, like an image or something, but yeah, so if you want to do that we have to do division id. Remember, this is just a home page. I am going to dive more into the other pages in the future videos. Let us save our file. And as you can see, there is a division tag above me over here. Let me just close my webcam so it doesn't affect. So let us make it better. Let us maybe bring it to the top just a little bit, and let us make it a bit longer in height. Save all. Yes, perfect. Okay, it can be a little bit longer, just like that. Save all. Okay, now it is perfect. Yeah. So focusing on our theme of the website, we actually want everything to match. In order to do that, we will make this content into the color green. So we can do this by going back to our code. We can maybe change this into let's say light green. Go to file, save all, and now it is light green in color. Yeah. So now we want another division tag over here as like a title to the website, like an introduction or a welcome. So we are actually now coding inside this division tag. So let us go over here. Let us make another division tag inside this one. Let us make it text A. Let us make it black for it to pop out. Our width can be maybe 55%. Our height can be also maybe 45%. Be a little bit off the top, maybe we can say 15%. Remember, if it was outside this division tag, maybe the division tag was over here, it would appear in this space, in this white space. But since it is inside this, it's going to come over here. Now imagining if it was in the open space and I put top 15% over here, the division tag would come over here up, but we want it in the middle, so I put it inside this green division tag over here. So now it will come over here. If it was in the top, it would be above here, Now it's above here. Or let's make it 20%. Let's save all, go back, refresh, and yeah, it seems a little bit on the left. We do not want that. Let us go back because we've not finished it. Left, let's say maybe left can be 25%. Position, we want it absolute. Save all, go back. Perfect. So now it's a little bit thin. We want to make it more wider. We can do that by increasing the height. 57%. Yeah, like that. Uh, Now we actually wanted to pop out more out of the website and look like an actual stylish website. Sorry, a stylish website. We do this by going to this website called CSS generator. It generates codes based over the division tags you want, like border radius, shadows, and stuff like that. So first, let us look at the corners. This is the website I use. The menu like this, by the way. Let us copy this. Let us paste it over here. Now we want shadows also. We want a shadow to be behind the division tag. Let us click on box shadow. Let us make it in the middle, a bit up, blur radius, and spread radius. Let us copy. Of course, you can make the shadow color anything you want. It doesn't have to be black. You can make it blue, red, orange, green, etc. Let us paste it over here. Now if we click on save all, going back to our website, we refresh, and as you can see, it is gonna pop out more. Of course, you can play around with it and just do whatever you feel is what you like and whatever you're comfortable with. This is just what I've done for mine. So let us put a text over here. Okay, so there's an okay. Yep, let us click this. Now it should work. Okay, that is because the font text color is black. You can make it white. Color white. Perfect. Yes, now it is working. You can copy this code if you would like. Okay, so now we actually want it to be in the center. We want it to be over here. So we can easily do that by typing, sorry, align center. Go to file, save all, and it will be in the center. And in order to put like in order to write like some other characters like a quote over here, it is very simple. Just go below the heading 1 tag. This means paragraph. It's a paragraph tag. It's like a smaller version of the heading tag, as you can see. Over here you can like say anything, like I'm just gonna write this example text. It is gonna be in the center, of course. Example text. Yes. So we can also change the font. Yeah. And then we can also add other stuff at the very bottom over here. We can maybe put like a paragraph or a text to show off the website and to explain the brief history of the website and stuff like that. So let us go back to our code. Let's make another division tag. And as you can see, if I refresh, it will appear over here. Let's make it a bit below. Yeah, now it is perfect. Now over here you can put anything you want. You can put either the text or the heading. Let's put a heading, for example. Let us make the color black. You can put like a paragraph. You can put over here. It's not really a paragraph. It's more like just like a sentence. You can just put anything. And yeah, there you have it. If you wanted to make it look more professional, you can say, you can just copy what I'm typing. Yeah. So this is uh, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and actually learned something from it. Uh, I apologize since last time my audio was a bit low. I apologize if today it's a bit higher and it's too loud, but yeah. So this is my code. This is HTML, and this one is CSS. And this is the output of the code. Of course, it's very simple because it's meant for complete beginners and also just people who want to polish the skills. So thank you for your time. My name is Abubakar Amal, and oh yeah, and also in the next video I'll be showing you on how to uh, sorry, on how to let's like add in images and add in search bars in your website. And yeah, and I'll also be making future videos about coding, calculators, uh, of course, to-do lists in Python, in future videos. So thank you for your time. Goodbye.